Good afternoon, everyone. It is 12:56, Wednesday, September 16th, 2015. This is Tony Omar. Some of you know me, been watching my videos at PennyRich909 or you can email me at PennyRich909gmail.com. But my stock posts have been at PennyRich909. I'm just a regular guy who invests in penny stocks. Normally I only invest in morning spikes, catch them running up within, 5-10 minutes. I made $9 to $1,000. Today there weren't any real good run-ups this early morning, any spikes that I really wanted, but I noticed this one right here, NUGT, and I just happened to catch my eye off of Yahoo, and I had noticed that it was trending up, wasn't spiking. Um, it was trending if you look at the where my cursor is, and if you look at that red line, I drew that red line in. It was showing me that it was trending up. So I got into this, made a few bucks. I think it was like 200 or something. Got out, saw that it was still continuing to trend up for the day, so I decided to stay in it till the entire end of the day, which we're coming up on now. We're like 3 minutes away from close of market. I had a feeling this thing was gonna skyrocket, and look, I got in. I got in again at 307, and right now it's at 313, and it is running right before the end of the day. So I'm gonna put in a sell order and go ahead and lock in my profits for all my shares. And if you look over here to my right, the middle right, where it says P/L for the day, I made $620 um, off of this particular stock. That's a pretty strong candle right there, indicating that it's still going to run up. I just have to watch the time. It's 12:57 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm in California. And that 1 minute, oh, that's a 5 minute. Let me switch over to a 1 minute candle. 1 minute candle is saying that I should get out. Yeah, saying I should go ahead and get out. Put in my sell order at 313. Oh, it's dropping to 312. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. Look over here to the far right, all that green, that's people buying in at 312. Oh, come on, don't drop on me. It'll come back up. Got 2 minutes left before the market closes. 2 minutes left before the market closes. I'm trying to wait and let it. Ooh, that's a pretty solid sell order. Sell it at. I sold it at 311. So for the entire day, and what I did is I saw this thing was trending up. I watched it for the first part of the day from like 6:30 in the morning till probably like 11:30 in the afternoon or 11:30 in the morning, and I saw that it was just going to keep trending up. So I went ahead and just stayed in it. I didn't even watch it for the rest of the day. I knew I'd just come back at the end of the market, and I knew that I had a pretty good feeling it was going to be spiking towards the end of the market. And sure enough, 12:59 right now. I got out at 311. As you can see, it's bouncing around between 311 and 310. So I made a profit of $830 today. Penny stocks are not hard. Penny stocks are stocks that are $5 and under per share. There's brokers out there who will give you 6 times whatever's in your account. So if you have a $5,000 account, you can trade with $30,000, which is less than, or excuse me, more than what I'm trading with right now. I'm trading with 21,750 dollar account, almost $22,000 account. So if you have 4,000, you'll still have more than me. 4,000 times 6, 24,000. You would have made more than I would have made right here. So um, save up your money, you guys. There's a lot of free videos on YouTube. That's how I learned penny stocks. Two of my favorite people that helped me understand it were Timothy Sykes and Ross Cameron. Those two guys' videos, I loved them. They really helped explain a lot to me. And I mean, I checked out some other stuff too. Some other videos that are out there on YouTube. And man, it really made a difference. Someone wrote a question: how do I find the stocks that are going to be spiking? And the answer is I go to finance.yahoo.com and I just click on the market on the left hand side, and then I click on stocks and I scroll down and look for the biggest percentage gainers first thing in the morning. So when the market starts up, I'm looking for the ones that have a lot of volume. They have a lot of volume being traded. They're within my price range, which, like I said, I like to stay $5 and under. And then I go and check those out. I bring those charts up, and the ones that look like they're really spiking or really doing something, I get into them, let them run up, and get out. And if they look like they're going to continue running up, I get back into them, let it run up some more, get out. Watch my other videos. You'll see where I've done that. Okay, so hey, I'm just a regular guy, you guys. Learn this stuff, man. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and but you can make a lot of money. You won't be Rockefeller, you won't be super duper rich like what's that guy's name? Uh, Bill Gates, But yeah, you will make good money. You watched my last video, I made like over $2,000 last week in just a few days. Today, this week, I didn't trade Monday or Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and I just made $830. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, if it brings good trades or not. But even if I don't trade for the rest of the week, think about that. Look at where my cursor is, $830 for the week. Hello, how hard do you have to work? I sat in front of this computer screen for 5 hours. Then I went and played NBA 2K15 and came back. I went and played my PlayStation 4 and came back at the end of the market to lock in these profits, $830. I didn't go out and bust my butt on a 12-hour shift, 10-hour shift, any of that, you know? So think about it. And if you're wondering, well, how do I get a hold of this money? If you have decent credit, there are a lot of online uh, places that'll loan you money based off of just the fact if you have a bank account and a job, you know, they'll lend you like anywhere between 2,000 to $35,000 depending on your credit. If you have if you don't have good credit, um, then put $100 or $200 to the side. If you say, hey, look, I got bills, I can't do that. Look, you want to not have bills? Make this happen. Put your $100 to the side every week. There's 52 weeks in a year. At the end of the year, you will have $5,200. Put that into one of these trading accounts. Do your research. Find that one trading account I'm talking about, that one broker that lends you 6 times the amount that you have. Put your 5,200 in. Matter of fact, keep your 200. Put the 5,000 in. You'll have $30,000 to trade with during trading hours. There you go. And after that, you're making profits like these, watching those morning spikes, watching my videos. Catch profits like these. You're bringing in an extra $800 to $2,000 a week. You can still keep your job and still do this, you know, or you can live off this. I wouldn't recommend that right out the gate, but it's possible. So just think about it, man. Don't make excuses, make it happen. If you really don't want to live paycheck to paycheck anymore, this is the way to do it right here. Save up your money. Boom. Hey, and check YouTube, man. There's some kids out there. Kids, 16, 17, 23, who somehow they got the bug, man. They figured out stocks is the way. Some kid, I was watching this video the other day, freaking 16 years old, made $330,000. How did he get the money? For 1 year, he was doing odd jobs, saved up every bit of money he can get. Wound up saving over 9 grand. Okay? Boom. Took that money, started trading in stocks. Shortly after a year after trading, he was sitting on over $330,000 at 16. I mean, so if the kid can do it, hello. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you have bills. I'm sure things are hard, man, but don't make excuses. If you want to get out of it, you got to make changes, all right? I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not anybody. I'm just a regular guy, man. I'm just telling you that it can be done. So trying to help motivate you a little bit, that's all. Good luck out there. Watch my videos, watch the other free videos, learn, and make it happen, you guys. Good luck.